Introduction. Welcome to Hazard Communication, HazCom Training, Ensuring Chemical Safety. Segment 1. The importance of HazCom Training. Why it's required. HazCom training is essential to safeguard workers from hazardous chemicals, mandated by regulatory agencies to ensure workplace safety. Where it's important, vital across industries where chemicals are used or handled, including manufacturing, construction, healthcare, laboratories, and agriculture. Benefits. HazCom training benefits both employers and employees. It ensures worker safety, reduces accidents, avoids costly legal issues, and maintains workplace compliance with regulations. Key point. HazCom training fosters a safety culture where all employees actively participate in keeping the workplace hazard-free. Segment 2. Chemical Safety. Heading. Understanding Chemical Safety. Key learnings. In this segment, we'll explore fundamental principles for safely handling chemicals, such as identifying hazardous chemicals, safe storage practices, proper personal protective equipment, PPE, usage, emergency response procedures. Key point. Effective chemical safety practices include risk assessments, safety audits, and creating chemical safety data sheets, SDS. Segment 3. Material Safety Data Sheets, MSDS. Heading. Demystifying MSDS. Key insights. Material safety data sheets provide essential information about the chemicals you work with, including chemical composition, physical and chemical properties, health hazards, safe handling and storage instructions, emergency response measures. Key point. MSDS sheets are your go-to resource for chemical information and should be easily accessible in your workplace. Segment 4. Chemical Labeling. Heading. Decoding chemical labels. Key takeaways. We'll decode symbols, signs, and terminology on chemical labels to help you recognize chemical hazards, including hazard symbols, signal words, precautionary statements, chemical and product identifiers. Key point. Effective chemical labeling is standardized worldwide for quick hazard assessment. Segment 5. Hazardous chemical handling. Heading. Safe handling practices. Key guidelines. This segment guides you in safely handling hazardous substances with practical skills. Proper storage, appropriate PPE usage, well-ventilated areas, understanding chemical compatibility, responding to spills and accidents. Key point. Prevention through safe handling and storage practices minimizes accidents and exposure. Segment 6. The training's benefits. Heading. The payoff. Benefits of HazCom training. Detailed benefits. We'll explore the benefits, including a safer workplace, reduced accidents, regulatory compliance, improved employee morale. Key point. HazCom training investment creates a safer, more productive, and legally compliant workplace. Segment 7. Conclusion and Call to Action. Heading. HazCom training, your path to safety. Summary. Summarize key takeaways, emphasizing the importance of HazCom training in maintaining safety standards. Encourage viewers to apply what they've learned for a safer work environment. Key point. Safety is everyone's responsibility, and HazCom training equips you to protect yourself and your colleagues. Outro. Thank you for joining us on this journey to chemical safety. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Closing screen. Stay tuned for more videos on safety and compliance.